everyone, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty, and spoiler alert, I am going to be opening the September Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month Club. Well, Crochet of the Month Club. I just got it in the mail today, today's Sunday, yesterday, and I'm going to be unboxing it. So let me just grab that, and I'm going to cut it open. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kim, and my channel is all about learning how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Currently I subscribe to 3 monthly kits, Mary Maxim, Annie's Hook and Needle Club, and Knit Crate. Mary Maxim has been my favorite by far. Yarn win again, Mary Maxim. So that's me. Let's get right into this kit. And again, spoiler alert. Stop if you don't want to see the September Mary Maxim Crochet Club kit. If not, woo! That looks awesome. No. Alright. Take out this pattern. So, Mary Maxim has by far been my favorite. For a couple of reasons. One, I'll take this out so you can see. One, they all come in reusable zippy bags. This has got a smaller kind of amount of yarn, but still awesome looking yarn. I'll get to that in a second. But they're reusable. They have zippers. They're actually pretty sturdy. They have a pocket for the pattern to go into. Yes, so win Mary Maxim. And then their kit has always come with the pattern printed in color. So this month is Ella's Lace Scarf and Fancy Fingerless Mitts. So it looks like this. It's pretty. And I like how inside in the pattern they have a close-up of what the stitches look like. I really appreciate that. So that's pretty cool. Here's the... Okay. And the yarn in this month, I have not been disappointed yet by the yarn, and this is another time when I'm not. So there's 2 different kinds of yarn. So which one is supposed to go to which project? Okay, so the gloves are for the lighter weight yarn. Yeah. So this is, I have not tried this brand before. Fair Isle Quality Yarns Willow. It's very, very pretty. It's got blush and tan and a light pink in it. This is 290 yards, 3.5 ounces, 265 meters, 100 grams. It is a 3-weight. So it's a 3-weight, it's a lighter yarn. It is 4mm needle, 5mm hook, machine wash cold, do not bleach, lay flat to dry, do not iron. And this is in the color Fizz. 75% superwash wool, 25% viscose from bamboo, which explains why it is shiny. Made in China. Distributed by InQ Brands from Ontario, Canada. And the color Fizz. That's pretty. So that's for the gloves. And then, oof. I love that. Does it smell like wool? A little bit. Ella Ray, which they sent some Ella Ray, I think, in a different one. Possibly, but not a bulky. Ella Ray Unique. This is beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Love, love, love. Look at this, like, purpley color, and it's got black woven into it. Some oranges and yellows, and then it goes to this purple with like grays. You can kind of see there some more. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh, oh yeah. Colorful virgin wool blend. So this is called Ella Unique, H-U-E-N-I-Q-U-E. It is 3.52 ounces, 100 grams, 175 yards or 160 meters, 50% wool, 50% acrylic. It is a bulky 5, but it's definitely a roving yarn because it goes to like maybe like a 3-weight up to over here. It's a bulky 5 over here. So yeah, it definitely is a roving style yarn, which I love. And it's made in Italy for Knitting Fever, knittingfever.com. Color 23, dye lot 3011. Suggested knitting needle size is, oh, that's a gauge, 5.5 to 8 millimeter needles, 6.5 to 9 millimeter hooks. And there's 2 in here, so there is 175 yards times 2. I mean, they're beautiful. Aren't they pretty? Do they match dye lots? They do match dye lots, so they're both the same dye lot. Those are pretty. Oh, so amazing. So for the gloves, you need a G 4 millimeter, and for the scarf, you need a K 10.5 millimeter. And oh, it just looks amazing. Note: due to the nature of both yarns, each project will have its own unique color sequence. Use a small hook and willow yarns. Okay, so I'll definitely be making both of these. Mary Maxim for the win. I like that they do send some. This is the second time or third time now, I've been getting this since May, that they've sent 2 different patterns in the kit. That really makes me happy. And even if I did not like these patterns, and maybe I'll decide to make something different, I like the yarn they sent. So that's pretty much half the battle there, that you like the yarn. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Yeah, that is the Mary Maxim crochet kit for September. They also have a knit kit, which is different. It's not just the same pattern. It's not just the same type of pattern. It's different. And a lot of times it has different yarn. They also have a quarterly Afghan of the Month club, which I'm thinking about trying, but the previous summer one was in like white or off-white, and that ain't gonna last more than 2 seconds with my kids. So I might be trying, when they flip over to a different color scheme, trying the Afghan quarterly of the month club. So yeah, and this one cost me with shipping. Let me look at my packing slip. So it's $14.99 with shipping. I'm sorry, it's $14.99. And then the shipping is $7.95 for a total of $22.94, which I think is completely reasonable for the yarn they sent me. I don't know how much it is online. I can look later. But yeah, so that is my September Mary Maxim Kit of the Month. Very excited. Please like, share, and subscribe so your friends can learn how to be affordably crafty too. Have a creative day. Bye, everyone.